In the age of climate crisis, where the specter of environmental degradation looms large and the imperative for carbon neutrality grows ever more urgent, lies a burgeoning opportunity for enterprising individuals, the realm of producing and selling carbon offsets. Like green alchemists transmuting carbon emissions into a currency of sustainability, carbon offset projects hold the promise of not only mitigating the environmental impact of human activities but also generating lucrative returns for those who possess the vision and ingenuity to seize the opportunity. In the following paragraphs, we shall embark on a journey through the fertile landscape of carbon offset entrepreneurship, unveiling strategies and insights to harness the power of environmental stewardship and profitably navigate the burgeoning market for carbon offsets. At the heart of the carbon offset enterprise lies the fundamental principle of environmental accounting, whereby carbon emissions are quantified, mitigated, and offset through the implementation of projects that sequester or avoid the release of greenhouse gases. Begin by identifying potential carbon offset projects that align with your expertise, resources, and environmental objectives. Consider options such as reforestation and afforestation initiatives, renewable energy projects, methane capture and utilization programs, energy efficiency upgrades, and sustainable agricultural practices. Evaluate the feasibility, scalability, and potential for carbon sequestration or emissions reductions of each project, taking into account factors such as location, cost-effectiveness, and regulatory requirements. With a portfolio of carbon offset projects identified, the next step entails quantifying the emissions reductions or carbon sequestration potential of each project through rigorous measurement and verification protocols. Engage qualified carbon offset verifiers and auditors to assess the baseline emissions, quantify the emissions reductions achieved by the project, and certify the resulting carbon offsets in accordance with internationally recognized standards such as the Verified Carbon Standard, VCS, the Gold Standard, or the Climate Action Reserve. Ensure transparency, accuracy, and integrity in the carbon offset certification process, as credibility and trust are paramount in the carbon offset marketplace. Once certified, the carbon offsets can be marketed and sold to individuals, businesses, governments, and other entities seeking to neutralize their carbon footprint and demonstrate environmental leadership. Develop a comprehensive marketing and sales strategy to promote your carbon offsets, leveraging channels such as online marketplaces, carbon registries, sustainability certifications, and direct outreach to potential buyers. Highlight the environmental benefits and social co-benefits of your carbon offset projects, emphasizing factors such as biodiversity conservation, community development, and climate resilience. Tailor your messaging and positioning to resonate with the values and priorities of your target audience, whether it be corporate sustainability goals, regulatory compliance requirements, or individual commitment to environmental stewardship. In addition to direct sales, explore partnerships and collaborations with carbon offset brokers, retailers, and aggregators to expand your market reach and access new customer segments. Consider bundling carbon offsets with other sustainability products and services, such as eco-friendly products, renewable energy certificates, or sustainability consulting services, to create value-added offerings for customers. Embrace innovation and creativity in packaging and pricing your carbon offsets, exploring options such as subscription-based offset programs, carbon offset gift cards, and carbon offset loyalty rewards programs to incentivize adoption and foster long-term engagement. As you navigate the evolving landscape of carbon offset markets, stay abreast of emerging trends, regulations, and market dynamics to seize opportunities and mitigate risks. Continuously monitor the performance and impact of your carbon offset projects, conducting periodic evaluations and audits to ensure compliance with certification standards and customer expectations. Cultivate relationships with stakeholders and partners across the carbon offset value chain, from project developers and verifiers to buyers and end users, fostering collaboration and collective action to address the shared challenge of climate change. In conclusion, making money producing and selling carbon offsets represents a convergence of environmental stewardship, economic opportunity, and social responsibility. By identifying viable carbon offset projects, certifying and marketing carbon offsets with transparency and integrity, and leveraging partnerships and innovation to expand market reach, you can carve out a profitable niche in the burgeoning market for carbon neutrality. Remember, the journey of carbon offset entrepreneurship is not merely a quest for financial gain, but a transformative endeavor to catalyze positive change and create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come.